Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with not being able to log in into your Netspend account and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can potentially fix this issue. So what you're going to do first is to just close your Netspend bank app and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app and now you should be taken to this page right here as you can see. And now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down and then you're going to click on general in here as you can see. And then scroll down once again and click on storage. And by the way, if you're using an Android, just do the exact same thing, but just find storage in your settings on your Android. And in here, we're just going to scroll down until we can find the Netspend bank app. I think it's somewhere in here actually. Oh, here it is perfectly. So just click on the Netspend bank app, click on upload app, and then once again, you're going to click on upload app. Click on the blue button here once again. Just wait for it, as you can see, to automatically now load completely because you will need the newest version to be able to actually potentially fix this issue. Now go back into your Netspend bank app once again, as you can see. And as you can see, sometimes you're going to get this like it was some problem to load this page. Just click on refresh and it's going to now be taking you to this page right here, which is perfect. So now click on login in here, of course. So click on login, we're just going to wait a couple of seconds and now you're going to try once again. And if it still is not working, then you're going to click on either forgot your username or forgot your password. As you can see, it depends on what you actually forgot, of course. So just click on either of those and then follow the steps after that. And hopefully you will be able to then fix this issue for you.